Take a ride in the 2019 GMC YUKON XL. GMC YUKON XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, backup camera, DVD system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.